In this quick guide, we'll show you how to install your asymmetric mirror. Inside your package, you'll find the mirror itself, plus a red bag labelled hardware. This contains your screws and wall plugs. Before you get started, there are a few extra tools you may need. Depending on your wall type, the plugs provided might not be suitable, so it's worth checking before you begin. We recommend this as a two-person job. Today, Dave and Robin will be doing the install, but you might want to grab a friend too. Start by deciding which way you'd like to hang your mirror. Then cut a piece of string the same length as the distance between the two fixings. Mark where one fixing will go on the wall. Then, stretch the string across and hold it against that first mark. Use a level to make sure it's straight, then mark the second fixing point. Now you'll need to drill your holes, insert the wall plugs, and screw them in. Once that's done, lift the mirror into place and hang it up. That's it, you're all set.